Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the image sharpening on Sharp Android TV. To make the image sharper or do the opposite, simply click on the menu button while you're within some app like YouTube or Netflix, or while you're watching live TV. Then this menu may look differently depending on what you're currently doing on your TV, but it'll either be on the right side or on the bottom, and on the bottom it'll be like colorful tiles. It doesn't matter because if you got a picture, then it'll look the same as here. Now go to sharpness and you can adjust it by going to the right or left to change the sharpness. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.